Hello, this is Logically John, and today it's about 5:30, and I'm going to be showing you guys my remote control awesome, really expensive Lamborghini. Sadly, my other one that's really nice, and it's the same version except, oops, wrong button, except it's black, same thing, and except it's a little newer. This is 2014 version, I have the 2017 version. So I'm going to be racing it, and alright. I'm going to do it right here. I think I'm going to hold it in my hand. This. Where did I actually put it? Right here. You gotta be good, right? Alright, so let's race this thing. Go slow. Under the car and behind it. Ready? Right under me. Oh! And alright, that's it for the Lambo. Now I have one more car to show you. It's really small, it's pretty inexpensive. It's like a little Mustang, teeny Mustang, but it's really fast. So it goes like, it's not really fast, but for a tiny car it is. Oh yeah. Behind. And there we go. Alright, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.